1. 1978 Chevy 3/4 ton 4x4, Stars, Grants Pass, Oregon. For those in search of a rugged vintage workhorse, this 1978 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 4x4 is a solid choice. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this long bed truck is ready for tough jobs. The 4x4 drivetrain makes it capable off-road, while the winch bumper is perfect for towing or modifications. With 137,600 miles, it has seen its share of work but still runs and drives well. The new tires add extra reliability. While the truck is in fair condition, it's an ideal candidate for a project or a daily driver for those who appreciate classic American durability. '70 Chevrolet C10 Truck, $6,750, North Phoenix, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 is a long bed pickup that blends utility with classic styling. Under the hood, it features a rebuilt 350 V8 engine paired with a manual transmission and 4-barrel carburetor. The black exterior adds a sleek, vintage look, though it's listed in fair condition. The odometer is broken, which is something to consider. Overall, this C10 is a great platform for restoration or customization, offering a strong base with a clean title and classic Chevy appeal. Three, 1972 Chevy Luv, $5,000. Oxnard, California. A rare find, this 1972 Chevrolet Luv is a compact classic pickup with rear-wheel drive and a 4-cylinder engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With only 35,000 miles, it has relatively low mileage for its age. Recent maintenance includes a new carburetor, ignition, tune-up, and battery, ensuring it runs well. The truck retains its original paint, making it a great choice for enthusiasts looking for a small, fuel-efficient vintage pickup that still has its charm. Four, 1976 Chevy C20 Truck, 5,000 fires. Azle, Texas. This 1976 Chevrolet C20 is a long bed truck powered by a 350 V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. A notable feature is the granny gear, which adds extra torque for hauling. The truck includes an air conditioning system, though its functionality isn't specified. While it has some rust, the Texas title is clean. The camper shell adds value for those needing extra cargo protection. Tires need replacement before long-distance driving, but overall, it's a strong vintage work truck with potential. Five, 1965 Chevrolet 1/2 ton Short Bed, Rockdale, Texas. This 1965 Chevrolet 1/2 ton Short Bed is a unique blend of classic styling and project potential. Originally designed for road use, it's currently more of a photo prop, though it still has its 327 V8 engine and manual transmission. It features new tires and a refinished wood bed, making it visually appealing. However, the truck has not run in years, and the title is missing, requiring a bonded title for registration. Ideal for display or restoration, this Chevy offers a timeless aesthetic. Six, Rio 10-yard dump truck, $600, Santa Cruz, California. A rare classic work truck. This Rio 10-yard dump truck is a project vehicle with a gas engine that last ran a decade ago. The manual transmission and rear-wheel drive suggest it's built for heavy-duty hauling. While the title is missing, its low price makes it attractive for restoration or scrap resale. Might need a new clutch, but for those with mechanical expertise, it could be brought back to life as a fully functional classic workhorse. 7. 1979 Ford F-350 Power Stroke Dually, 9th A, Federal Way, Washington. This 1979 Ford F-350 Power Stroke is a dually diesel pickup designed for towing and heavy-duty work. The automatic transmission and rebuilt title suggest it's been through some restoration. With 327,005 miles, it has high mileage but remains a solid work truck. The gooseneck hitch adds utility for hauling large loads. Its red exterior gives it a bold presence, making it a great option for Ford truck enthusiasts who need serious towing power. 8. 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom Truck, $7,500, Belfair, Washington. This 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom is powered by a 396 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The dual exhaust with a crossover pipe enhances performance, and the truck includes power features like power steering and power brakes. Additional highlights include newer tires and brakes, a rear window slider, and a wood bed. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck appears to be in good condition, making it an excellent base for a restoration or modification. Nine. 1969 Ford F-250 Highboy, $8,500, Scotts Mills, Oregon. This 1969 Ford F-250 Highboy is a 4x4 pickup featuring a 390 V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's a true off-road capable truck with a lifted stance. The seller mentions it runs, though no specifics are given on drivability. For Ford truck collectors, this is an excellent opportunity to own a rugged classic that can handle both work and play. 10. 1969 Ford F-250 pickup, $8,500, North Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1969 Ford F-250 is a rear-wheel drive pickup featuring a new engine and transmission. The automatic transmission makes for a smooth ride, and the truck includes a fully redone interior. While the odometer has rolled over, it remains in good condition. It's an ideal classic for someone seeking a reliable vintage truck with refreshed mechanical components. 11th, 1967 Chevrolet pickup, Nampa, Idaho. This 1967 Chevrolet pickup comes with a new 350 V8 engine with less than 10,000 miles, offering strong performance. The manual transmission provides a classic driving experience. Brakes need replacement, but the truck includes the original wheels in the bed. For those looking for a solid foundation for a restoration, this is a promising candidate. 12. 1969 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special, $7,000, Grover Beach, California. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special is a 3.75-ton pickup featuring a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The truck is in good condition with minimal rust. It includes new carpet, new seat upholstery, a new carburetor, and exhaust manifold gaskets, making it a well-maintained option for classic truck enthusiasts. 13. 1963 Chevrolet C10, Tulsa, Oklahoma. A great project truck, this 1963 Chevrolet C10 retains its original wood bed and wraparound windshield, which was the last year for this design. It has been converted from a 6-cylinder to a 350 V8, and a new wiring harness has been installed. The interior is being stripped for rust repair, making this an ideal truck for a restoration project. '14 1955 Chevrolet pickup, 6,400 Deadwood, South Dakota. This 1955 Chevrolet pickup features a remanufactured inline 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The interior has been repainted, the seat has been reupholstered, and it retains a patina exterior that adds character. The truck runs and drives, making it a great driver or an excellent candidate for a full restoration. Cash sharp. And 15 1989 Nissan Truck, $1,000, Torrance, California. This 1989 Nissan Truck is a rear-wheel drive pickup with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. However, the transmission is faulty, and the truck must be towed. It's best suited for a parts vehicle or a project for someone willing to invest in repairs.